Here is the mummy bird. Jade. Not Jade. Jade's over there. That's Penny. There's Frankie and Pikachu, which is the yellow one. There's Snowflake. There's Snowy, the crazy white budgie. There's Flower. There's Jade. And Penny spends most of her days in the nesting box, so she will get babies. She does. And there's all this powder on here. So. Look at Jade. And these two. These two, Jade and Snowy. They're so crazy. Like Snowy follows. Sounds like Penny is getting cranky up there. Two white ones. And this Flower, I don't know if Flower has babies or not. But it's definitely Penny, we know. Flower just hangs around in the same box. Just trying to look at it. Thank you. That noise is coming. That noise is coming from Snowy. These boys are so crazy this afternoon. Yeah, you guys are crazy. There's babies in one of those holes. There are these two. Each one in a different nesting box. This Frankie, silly crazy bird. See if I can get Penny going in the nesting box. When I put it over here, they will go in the nesting box. See what I can do here. No, I think it's Frankie. Bye-bye, Flower. Bye-bye, Penny. Bye-bye, other crazy budgies.